Good morning, proud Aloranon people of Aloran. This is J. Mark Silakan Habyan, and once again, welcome to my video diaries, making videos all year round, capturing moments, making memories, and telling stories. So, for today's video, diary and vlog, nakatry na ba kayo nito, guys? This is Century Tuna, and normal Skypix. Tapos nilagyan, hinalo ko lang. Kasi nga, di ba, katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo, sa mga nakakilala talaga sa akin, April 29, 2008, doon ako nag-start hindi kumain ng kanin. Of course, para healthy, ang favorite natin, okra. Manok kumain. Skyflakes, tuna, and okra. Nasa post-operation pa rin tayo. At araw-araw yung okra, guys. Hindi siya nakakasawa. Comment below, guys, kung sino nakatry ng. Actually, pinupulutan namin sa Manila. Lahat yung tuna flakes. Century tuna and Skyflakes. And last na all, tinubos na ito. Solve na naman tayo ngayon for today's video diary and vlog. So once again, this is J. Mark Silakan Habyan, and once again, welcome to my video diaries, making videos all year round, capturing moments, making memories, and telling stories na bulol pa. Bye. See you for the next video, diary and vlog.